Okay guys, I didn't expect this. I should have maybe videoed yesterday. That is a Ford starter that I welded that shaft into, and it works. I think I'm gonna have to find an idler or something. I gotta figure out some way, or maybe I can get enough room to rock the motor to turn it off and on. I had to go through the trees to get this thing out of where it was at. Excellent low pressure. Just sitting there idling. This thing has not hardly run at all in a few years, so I do have to rebuild the water pump. I got the hood loose, so I'll figure that all out. I'm missing the brackets to hold that guard on. I don't know what's all missing, but I got to replace the cylinders. They seep down, and as you can see, they're all rust pitted and jacked up anyways. I got a couple cylinders that'll work on here, but yeah, when I bought this, we pull started it. Pony motor wasn't running. Tank is shot for the pony motor. I got that one on there and there's no fuel shut off, so I just hung it over to the side because there ain't much gas in it. Like I said, I'm just amazed. The pony motor works flawlessly. My starter system works, but I'm just riding on an override of the Bendix, so I gotta do something different there. Like I said, this is trial and error. Battery, starter solenoid's here, and I'm just jumping across the posts. Because like I said, this is figure it out, and we'll go from there. But yeah. I'm going to pressure wash this thing all up now, then I'll rebuild the water pump. I'll try to get some of that stuff videoed if I can. This has hydraulics, live hydraulics in the rear. I have a little hydraulic winch. And I'm thinking if I plumb it into these and I flip the valve, I would actually have in and out on the winch, so. But quite impressed, everything's working. I gotta go through, grease everything really good. Yeah, it's got those button zerts on it. I got a grease pail with the button zerts on it. I actually got a grease pail, whoops, my fat fingers out of the way. Grease pail with the button zerts on it, so. Be safe all, God bless, and keep the greasy side down, and have a wonderful weekend.